I had to go to Harbor Freight yesterday to pick up a few things for around the house. Now whenever I'm at Harbor Freight, I like to walk around, check out what kind of new products they have. And I came across this Bandfile. Now I've used these things in the past that are air powered. We also call them Dynafiles or finger sanders. They're basically a 1/2 inch wide belt sander to get into tight spaces. And if you need one of these, this is about the only tool that's going to get into a tight space and sand something for you. So let's get it unboxed and check it out. So a couple features with this one. It's 5.3 amps, which is a pretty powerful motor. It's 2,300 feet per minute. And the head on this actually rotates. Now, a lot of the air-powered ones that I've used in the past, they do not have a rotatable head. They're pretty much fixed in position and that's it. So this one you can rotate to all different positions, lock it into place. Now for only $39, you can't beat this for the price. This also comes with a fairly long cord. Cord by itself, from here to the tip, is 7 feet long. Take a look at the adjustments. This here is going to lock it into place whatever angle you want. Simply loosen this, the head rotates, lock it back in place. This knob here, that's going to adjust the tracking of the belt. And if you're going to change the knob, this right here is the belt tension. You see how the belt just got real loose? You take this screw off, put a new belt on, tighten the tension back up, and you're ready to go. Basically, this is one of Bauer's 5 1/4 inch grind heads. If you have one of those at home, you'll see that it's almost identical, except it doesn't have the 4.5 inch round disc. They just put a gear drive on it, attach it to their normal hand grinder, and now you have a belt sander. So I'm just going to demo the belt tracking, and I'm going to turn it on so you guys can hear how loud it is. Because it sounds just like the normal 5 1/4 inch grinder that they sell at Harbor Freight. The total length of this tool, from tip of the belt, tip of the tool, you're at 19 inches. Total weight, this isn't super lightweight. It's just a hair over 4 pounds. And now one thing that I wish it came with it is a handle. You have 2 screw ports right here and here. Now if you have the 5 1/4 inch grinder, you can screw that handle in to this right here so you can kind of hold on to this either on this side or this side. It doesn't come with the handle, but if you have some other Bauer tools, those handles will screw right in. That's a nice feature. In conclusion, as far as cool Harbor Freight tools, something that you're going to use once in a great while, but this is going to do the job that no other tool is going to do. Get in that tight spot, you need to sand something for whatever it could be. It could be metal, could be wood, could be plastic. This is going to be the tool to do it. And for the price, you can't beat it. Now, if you don't have a Harbor Freight near you, I'll put a link in the description how to buy one of these off Amazon. Won't be the same brand, but very similar. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.